In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change fonts in GoDaddy Website Builder. First, log in to your GoDaddy account and open your website dashboard. Once you are signed in, go to the Websites Plus Marketing section. From there, choose the website you want to edit. This will take you to the management area for that specific site. Next, click Edit Website or Edit Site to open the GoDaddy Website Builder. After the editor loads, look for the Theme option. This is where you can control the overall design settings for your website, including the font style. Open the Theme settings and go to the Fonts section. In this area, GoDaddy provides a set of pre-made font combinations. These font pairs are designed to work together across your website, usually applying one font to headings and another to body text. Now, start browsing through the available font combinations. As you select each option, the website preview will update, so you can see how the fonts look in real time. This makes it easy to compare styles and decide which one fits your brand or content best. Choose the font pair you want to use for your website. After selecting it, take a moment to review how the new fonts appear across different sections of your site. Pay close attention to headings, paragraphs, and any text-heavy areas. This helps you confirm that the style is readable and visually consistent. If the first option does not feel right, continue browsing through the other available font combinations. You can keep selecting different styles until you find the one that works best for your website. The goal is to choose a font set that looks clean, professional, and easy to read. Once you are happy with your selection, close the theme settings. Then click Preview to see how the updated fonts appear on your website before making the changes live. This step gives you a final chance to review the design and make sure everything looks the way you want. If everything looks good, click Publish. This will apply the font changes to your live website, so visitors can see the updated design right away. That is the full process for changing fonts in GoDaddy Website Builder. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.